Hey guys, today is test drive day, but in order for us to drive, we need to get this belt mounted on, and to get that mounted on, we need to take off or bend a piece on the clutch. The best part is, there's a whole bunch of snow out. Not a whole lot, but enough for driving. So we got our belt on, we just bend that bracket out. But our problem here is with our drive pulley or drive belt falling off and rubbing against our clutch, which actually is behind there. It should not be. So we got to figure out, make a bracket to hold the belt on and put a couple bolts in with some bushings somewhere in here and keep that belt on. So here's our plan. We're gonna take a plate from that black point. There's another marked spot over there. And that's gonna serve as a block from the sides. And I have a bolt and a plate across here. And it's also gonna serve whenever the clutch is depressed, the belt will not fall off. This is the plate we're gonna use. We're gonna clean up the edges so we don't cut the belt. Got that cleaned up and time to put holes through it. Okay, so I hardly filmed because I had a bunch of problems, but we got this plate on there so this won't fall, and also so we won't be hitting clutch and getting pinched and all that. And then we'll be test driving. We are ready to drive. We got our foot pedal hooked up. We got our belt underneath, and should be the upper Woo! Okay, so that failed. So what happened, when we put this belt on, we had this variable speed up here. So this belt had a smaller diameter on the pulley compared to this one. And then whenever we opened the clutch, it switched that and stretched this. You don't have any clutch. There is that amount of clutch. When it should be back to here.